Girl, you find my lie, I dey bad on you. From the first day I see you, I lie, I know say I dey love you. Go tell your mama say I go marry you. I be the one that number one nigga for the place we go cherish you. I have been around the world, yeah, I couldn't find my baby. I set around the world.
Hello guys, in this video I will be showing you guys step by step how I will slay my wig from hot beauty hair. I will be showing you guys step by step, and I will be using their 24 inches of straight hair, 250 density. This wig is custom made wig, made with a 360 frontal and the hair bundles. It functions like a full lace wig, but this one is more economic and the breathable on the top. The bleached did not pre-plucked the front of the hairline. In case you want to also add more bundles, it's possible because they used 360 and with hair bundles, and you are seeing the space right now in case you order and you want to add your own bundles to the wig. But this density is 250. It's very full. And then this wig is very easy to install and take off because it came with adjustable straps, and then you can adjust it to your own desire, and the 4 combs, which is very good to secure it to your head. They are also having sale on their website. This wig is very affordable and is less than $300. Just imagine, 250 density, less than $300, 24 inches. Very affordable. And if you also want to order, you can also get discount using Freedom 10 to get 10% off if you order. I will put my coupon code in the description box. What I will do, I will spray a little bit of water at the front. You know the wig came pre-plucked and they also came with baby hairs. I will just spray a little bit of water at the front and then cut off the excess lace. When cutting off the excess lace, I will leave a little bit of excess lace at the front. I wouldn't cut the lace too close to the baby hairs to avoid shedding. And they also pre-plucked the parts. I needed not to do much. I will just dab a little bit of powder to just match my skin tone. The adjustable straps, and I will just use the elastic band to place it on my head, and I will position it at the center because I will be doing middle part. And I will just spray a little bit of water to just flatten the front side. And brush. You know guys, this hair is very silky. Because of the water I sprayed on the hair, it was very easy for me to use hair straightener. For the wig not to move at the front, because I just want to have that middle part, I will apply a little bit of got-to-be glue gel at the front, and I will place it at the middle. I will just use a finger to press it down. I will press it down for some minutes. Press it. I will brush, use toothbrush to brush, and then I will apply my foundation, and you guys are seeing right now I did trim the baby hairs. I just apply a little bit of Eco Styler gel and then just brush it down. You want the front of your hair, especially wig, to flat perfectly, use a scarf to tie it down. And this is the wig, unshakable because of the got to be glue. And in case I'm going to party now, I just want to shake this wig. Just see the wig will not be off from my head. And I will just brush it this side, brush it the other side. This is the finished look of the wig. Very, very pretty and silky. I was actually feeling myself, and you guys can see the natural looking. You know, they bleached the knots, and I also applied a little bit of my powder on the lace because I wanted the wig to match my skin tone. And I can do many styles with this wig, and I just flip all the hair to the back, and you guys can still see. I'll just tie it at the back also. Look at the style. Still very, very pretty in case I am going to walk. Unshakable, like I said before, unshakable. To remove the wig, I will just apply a little bit of water at the front where I applied the got to be glued. I will make sure the water wet the front, and I will just remove it. This is just the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget that this hair is from Hot Beauty Hair. This is their 360 frontal and hair bundles wig. Length of this wig 24 inches, density 250 density, and I also have 10% off coupon code for you guys, which will be in the description box below. If you enjoyed this video, you find this video helpful, give a huge thumbs up, share with friends and family. Don't forget to comment in the description box in case you have questions. Share with friends and family. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will catch you guys in my next one as usual. Bye bye.